building there. I'm definitely in early for this one. Staff are practicing.
Bon courage, monsieur Latin.
Ça démarre bien, ça.
Tomato soup. Lots of terrain. Gives you a little idea, but there's still a lot of mystery. There's like an outdoor bit, it goes onto the rails there, out of the water. Yeah, looks very unusual. It does look like the ship from Jaws, you're right. This is cool. This is really cool. The rockwork looks ace. But oh, we're going to misty terrain there. See, I feel as though the queue line, you wouldn't purposely build it to do any spoilers. So this is kind of like the introduction, and you kind of know what's going on, and then it just disappears into the unknown.
Et c'est bon, c'est parti. JR, je mets sur ta tête.
C'est extrêmement risqué.
It's a very outdoor queue line, so if it's raining, God help you.
That's really cool.
It's not an actual button, even though I want to press it. Very cool. All to do with the Bermuda Triangle research. It's futuristic as well. Oh, no way! They must have a sponsorship. They must do, because we've seen the guy from Boost came at the back there. They got Mack Rides, giving us just a little look into the behind the scenes stuff here. A lot of promo going on in there.
Ici, nous pensons avoir identifié la structure d'un portail spatio-temporel. Veillard personnel, portail.
We've gone from a tense theming to, right, we're in some sort of base camp now. Almost like a marine research facility. It doesn't have to be themed. It's this bit's basic compared to the queue line, but it's on theme. Away we go! I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Agent Maurice, unité de sauvetage. Recevez. Parfait. Visuel établi. Direction le secteur est de l'île. Les capteurs indiquent une élévation.
We're on an adventure. A very wet adventure.
Évitez tout contact avec l'eau.
I'm not entirely sure what's going on story-wise, but we're on an adventure.
Éparement visuel. Identifié. C'est le Snowboy, disparu en 1963.
Looks cool.
Mouvement détecté à bord. Ne faites aucun bruit. Nouvelle tentative enclenchée. On va se cacher dans la brume. Signaux multiples en approche. Ce n'est pas un phénomène naturel.
I've got a fish bowl in me. Oh! The boat sides are so low. They're so low at the side.
Destination détectée.
I don't know what's going on now. Oh my god. There's so much water in.
Vous êtes bien certain de vouloir continuer? Ce n'est pas une caverne naturelle.
Thankfully, it's just my shoes
Structure
at the
militaire
minute.
confirmée.
I rolled my cars as well.
Reculez immédiatement. Le moteur peine à compenser. Manœuvre d'urgence activée. Je perds le contact. Vous m'entendez?
Oh, look at all the water.
Activité magnétique maximale détectée. C'est le portail spatio-temporel. Clé d'inversion engagée. Signal instable, mais actif. Terminez la mission. Et ne vous manquez pas. Ce sera votre unique chance.
Oh no! There we go. I thought we broke it down.
Activé. Fusée. Vous avez inversé. Débarquez sur votre
Mission Bermudes gets you soaked on the front. Yes. Yes. Oh my god.
Les équipes d'interexpédition.
These are ruined. Right, so Mission Bermudes is an absolute super soaker. Top off is all fine. I think everyone's top off is going to be fine. Waist down, you are screwed if you're in the front row. Every other row seems to be a nice light splashing on the side. On the front row, it's illegal foot spa drowning. There's a lot going on in the ride, but when it comes to storyline, it kind of disappeared almost. So you're going in like a hunt of people who've gone missing in the Bermuda Triangle, but when you get around, you know, it starts off with the mystery, starts off with the adventure, you go through the mist tunnel, you go through the rapids, and then suddenly it stops. Like the adventure just seems to conclude, like you go back into like almost like a maintenance station and straight back around on the hill, straight down, you're done. Like in terms of the actual Bermuda storyline, I just wanted a little bit more. I just wanted like something more to be in that inside building. I think that could have been a little bit longer. I think there could have been more sort of animatronics, near misses, more danger elements. It felt very, I wouldn't say mundane, but it felt very relaxed considering you're on an adventure to a dangerous, a dangerous part of the world, like a mysterious part of the world. And it didn't feel very mysterious. It felt very, very jungle cruisy. It was very relaxed after the rapids, and the rapids built up the tension, but then the tension just kind of, disapparated, or whatever the word is for it after that. It's an incredible experience. Like, it's really, really cool to see. I could see this technology being adapted and improved in terms of a storytelling aspect. I think the actual queue line itself was phenomenal. I just think that the ride execution after the rapids just kind of disappeared in terms of its intensity and its like immersion into that investigative kind of story that they were weaving. But Mission Bermudes open now at Futuroscope. I hope you've enjoyed this little experience. Thank you so much to Futuroscope for inviting inviting me out, and despite inviting me out and providing free accommodation and this free trip right here, I'm always going to provide my honest feedback. And for a more detailed and complex review, I'll leave that in the description box below. I've been Sean Evans. You've been watching Lift Deals and Thrills on this lovely sunny day in France, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.